Hi guys, pabalik na kami sa Canada. Eto na. Tapos ng masayang isang buwan, babalik na sa Canada. Back to reality na.
Pasok na ba kayo? Dito tayo. Sandra, Camille. Ayaw na. Wait lang.
Doon kayo kasi kayo dito. Where are you going?
Out of Philippines with snow. And to see your classmate. And your teacher dentally. Everyone is not sama? Yeah, just only... Wow. Edi, give her a kiss and hug. Kiss and hug to Ate Elena. How about Ate Alex and Ate Colleen?
Kiling, dali ka dito.
Oh, hug mo sila, hug.
Hug and kiss.
Say thank you. Say thank you, Cassandra. Thank you. How about Tata? How about your Tata? Your favorite Tata? Eh, your favorite Kuya Dash?
I love you.
How about your Kuya Dash? Kuya Dash, your favorite Kuya Dash?
And finally,
Ni! Hindi, meron pa how about Kuya Kuya Kau?
laking kalbaw yun.
Ano baby?
The baby, bye-bye.
Si Baby ganda. Ayan, pangalan?
Baby Kalma.
Baby Kalma.
Thank you guys.
Okay, guys.
Siguro ito pagsakay, no?
Tulog.
Mama, hot!
Sad?
Hot!
Bird, oh? Go back there. Go back.
Kasi, come here, not there. That's the road. No.
Eh, malaki lab na. Jumbo, eh. Oh.
Do the way,
Yan.
The other to you. To me, you. My God. I do this one. This. A stick. Till you can move right here. E.
Yeah. Go, Bisoy! Bisoy, let's go! Let's go, Bisoy! Si Lolo ah! Let's go! Yes. Wait.
Team ka. Kami yan, stand nga. Stand beside me nga. Stand beside me. Hala. Hala kaming.
Parehas kayo.
First same ah.
Wow.
Wow.
First same na. We're the same. Yari ka pag nakita ka ni tita ka.
Wow.
Ayaw niya kayo umuwi. Ayun nga. Yun din naman ang iniisip din namin. Iniisip din namin ayaw.